How to password protect PDF file. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Open your preferred browser, then search for I love PDF. Open it. After that, you will see several options. Among them, choose Protect PDF. Now go to select PDF file. Upload your PDF file and it will ask you to set a password to protect your PDF file. So let me just upload a sample PDF, and now you will see the option of protect PDF. After this, since this is a very small PDF, I cannot do it. All you have to do is, sorry, that's not the case. Simply go to this gear icon, type a password and tap on protect PDF. Now your protected PDF is ready to be downloaded. Simply download it and it will now require your password to be opened. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.